Let's build real games and apps that people actually want to use. Time to become a real game developer and data analyst. We'll build a complete two-player number guessing game, create a sophisticated grade analysis system, and combine every smart loop technique we've mastered. These are programs you'll actually want to show your friends. Here's what separates amateur programs from professional ones. Great applications combine smooth user interaction, intelligent data processing, and helpful feedback at every step. Today, we're building programs that feel polished and complete. Let's build our first complete game. A two-player number guessing game needs several smart systems: user input handling, intelligent feedback to guide guesses, win condition detection, and graceful lose scenarios. This is real game development. Look at this professional game setup. We give clear instructions, get the secret number from player 1, then clear the screen with 20 blank lines so player 2 can't cheat. We set up our game state with maximum guesses and a found flag. This is how real games handle setup. Here's the brilliant game logic. We calculate remaining guesses dynamically, provide helpful feedback for each guess, celebrate wins with excitement, and give strategic hints, too low or too high. The break statement ends the game immediately when they win. Perfect game design. And here's the graceful lose condition. If the found flag is still false after all guesses, we reveal the secret number and encourage them to play again. No harsh game over, just friendly encouragement. This is user-friendly design. Time to switch from game developer to data scientist. Data analysis programs collect information, track important statistics, and provide meaningful insights. Let's build a grade analysis system that any teacher would love to use. Look at this clever data analysis setup. We start highest at -1 and lowest at 101. Impossible values that guarantee the first real grade will replace them. We track total for calculating averages later. This is professional data processing technique. Here's the brilliant multi-tracking system. Every grade gets checked against our current highest and lowest, added to our running total, and immediately categorized with encouraging feedback. We're processing data and providing instant user feedback. Data science with heart. Amazing results. Our program processes each grade with encouraging feedback, then provides comprehensive class statistics. Look how professional this output looks. Highest grade, lowest grade, and we could easily add class average calculation too. Here's the golden strategy real developers use. Build programs in stages. Start with basic functionality, test it thoroughly, then gradually add more features. Don't try to build everything at once. Even professional software is built one piece at a time. Challenge time. We're already tracking the total of all grades, and we know the number of students. How would you modify our program to calculate and display the class average? Think about what mathematical operation you'd need. Exactly right. We divide the total by the number of students to get the average and use W11 formatting to show just one decimal place. Simple math, professional presentation. You're thinking like a real data analyst. Remember this professional program structure. Proper setup with clear instructions and state initialization, intelligent processing with user feedback and data tracking, and polished results presentation with meaningful statistics. This is how real software is built. Outstanding achievement. You've become a complete program developer. We learned that professional applications seamlessly combine user interaction, data processing, and helpful feedback. Games require careful setup, engaging game loops, clear win-lose conditions, and strategic user guidance. Data analysis means tracking multiple statistics while providing insights, and real developers build incrementally with frequent testing. You're not just coding, you're creating experiences people want to use. Time for our final celebration and summary.